Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Amazon gift card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your gift card. Locate your Amazon gift card and make sure you have the claim code ready. This code is usually printed on the back of the card under a scratch-off panel or included in an email if it's an e-gift card. Step 2. Log into your Amazon account. Open the Amazon website or mobile app and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to use your gift card. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. Navigate to Gift Cards in your account menu and select Redeem a gift card. Enter the claim code from your gift card and click Apply to your balance. Once your gift card is successfully redeemed, you will see the updated balance in your Amazon account. Your gift card is now ready to use for purchases on Amazon. Step 5. Start shopping. You can now use your Amazon gift card balance to pay for eligible items at checkout. Your balance will automatically be applied to your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.